In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to contribute to a GitHub project, even if you are not the repository owner. First, go to the GitHub website and sign into your account. Next, find the repository you want to contribute to. Click the Fork button located at the top of the page. This will create a copy of the project in your own GitHub account. After the fork is created, click the Code button and copy the repository link. Open the terminal on your computer and use the git clone command followed by the link to download the project. Then open the project folder in your code editor and make the changes you want to contribute. After finishing your changes, use the command git add to add the modified files. Next, use git commit m message to save the changes with a description. Now upload the changes using the git push command. After that, return to GitHub and click Compare and Pull Request to submit your changes to the original project. The project owner will review your changes and decide whether to accept the contribution. Contributing on GitHub is a great way to practice coding and collaborate with other developers. And that's it. Now you know how to contribute on GitHub easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.